market demand of a clean and healthier workshop and the use of vacuum hoovers has led Smirdex in developing the 750 Net ceramic line. The 750 Net disc, offered with special net structure and ceramic grains, is a clogging-free abrasive product that can take a lot of abuse and still offer an equally good surface finish as well as a dust-free environment. The following video will demonstrate the preparation of a primer surface using net discs of various grits that are used to gradually sand down the primer and prepare for paint. The ceramic grain used on this product guarantees its very high cutting rate, and the net structure ensures it is impossible for the disc to clog, hence prolonging significantly its life. We suggest a range of P320 up to P500 to achieve a very smooth and well-prepared surface for paint. As a basic rule of thumb, we move up every 100 grit size as we proceed. An orbital sander must be used, either electrical or operated by air. The use of a vacuum hoover is necessary to constantly remove the sanded material and provide a dust-free environment. For this video only, we can illustrate how we inspect and control the progress of our work in terms of surface roughness. Using a roughness tester, we measure the size of scratches that are caused by the sanding. This way, we make sure that the surface is ready to apply paint without any risk of deep scratches and imperfections to appear on the finished work. The 750 Net is also an excellent choice to work when filler is applied on the panel to correct deformations and notches. The process prepares the surface for primer and eventually paint. The sanding begins with a very rough P80 grit and progresses further with finer grits up to P240. Again, the net structure of the 750 disc enables it to be clogging free as well as provide a dust-free working environment with the use of a vacuum hoover. A very smooth filler cover surface is the key for an amazing result when primer and paint is applied on top. We can see for ourselves or feel by hand the smoothness of the surface we can achieve just by following these simple steps.